Have you had this thing up there and going yet, or?
Yeah, not as heavy as a Corvette. Yeah.
Okay. She does all right. Hello everybody, I've got a fun car for you today, but it's not the one I'm sitting in. I'm in my Corvette because I have to drive to where the vehicle's located, but when you see this, guys, you are going to love it, so see you in just a second. All right, guys, was it worth it? I told you it's a beautiful car. Gary, what am I looking at?
1956 Bel Air, one of the Tri-5 Chevrolets, 55, 56, and 57. This is the middle of the three. This car's been completely redone. Got an LS engine in it.
Ooh, you did the LS swap.
The interior's been redone. We just recently took it back to Minnesota. On the highway, we're doing 75 miles an hour and we get 18 miles a gallon.
Nice.
So not too bad.
Not bad at all.
It rides good, a lot of fun, and yeah, just take a look at the car.
All right. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Got the LS swap in it. Wow, that's pretty. Dang. Even got the radiator all shiny. It's a beautiful car. Look at this interior. Got the buckets. Custom seat. Man, that's like more comfortable than an office chair, man.
Yeah,
that is gorgeous. And they recline too?
They recline too.
Wow. Size of that trunk on that. And they closed that off, I see. Oh, you can open that up though and get stuff back there, right?
I'm sorry?
Well, how they have it closed off right here?
Yeah.
You can open it up and get back there, right?
I can get back there.
Oh, okay, yeah. I'll say, because you're losing half your trunk, man.
Yeah, I am.
Where are you going to fit that other body when you go through the drive-thru or the drive-in? Wow, this is gorgeous. Got that Bel Air badge on it. I always love those old round tail lights like that.
And one thing too is a lot of people back in the day, they would take and actually steal these cars.
Yeah?
They'd run out of gas. They didn't know where to put the gas.
Yeah. Which one is this one? Does it go behind the tail light?
Right here.
Yep. See, that's the best thing right there.
Yep.
Another one behind the tail light.
Yep.
That is awesome. They did that a lot in the 50s, didn't they?
Well, they did 56 and 57.
Okay.
55 was still in the stock.
All right. So, you guys ready to go for a ride? I think I am. The interior on this car is so nice. These seats are so, and look, there's a seat belt in this one. That's very rare in those days. This is comfortable. This is a very nice car, and it rides a lot better than my Corvette. We'll just leave it at that. So yeah, we're gonna take it for a drive on the highway. We'll see you guys in a second. Man, this thing has got some get up and go. So you're saying it's got the automatic transmission?
Automatic transmission, got the LS53 engine, version of regular gas, and they're all late model engines.
Yep.
You know, whatever. And yeah, like I got one of my Corvette, I got one of my pickup too.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So it's the same engine, very economical.
Yeah.
Power disc brakes, air conditioning, heat, everything you want.
So you're sitting in a modern car that just looks gorgeous and old.
Exactly.
Got the overdrive transmission in it, nice back seat, and you guys remember Gary had the Corvette, the Colorado SS, and then he also had an Impala bubble top, the 61. And you traded it for this.
I did.
You did.
I don't know why, but I did. I kind of liked it. I don't know how long I'll have it.
Hey, it's a whole lot of fun. That's all that matters.
Yeah.
And this thing sits so low to the ground. It's nice and comfy.
Yeah.
Got a pretty good ride on it.
And like I say, we took it to Minnesota 3 weeks ago, and we're doing 75 on the interstate, no problem.
Yeah.
The same way going back to Des Moines, Iowa, with the Midnight Show, it's the same way. So
Yeah. Wow.
pretty comfy.
It's very comfy. And it's got some oomph to it too. It just goes. So this is all the original dashboard?
No, it's all been done. We've got the digital dash now.
Okay.
Different steering column.
Okay.
The whole interior is been redone.
Yeah, they did a great job of this, because I love the center console, how everything's just, instead of that old school bench seat, and
Right.
this thing is comfy. Wow, if you guys could just, it's like riding in a brand new car. It's just so comfortable to ride in.
It's a heavy car too. Probably about 4,000 pounds, I would guess.
Yeah.
It's all steel.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a heavy car.
Yeah, so it's like a big boat driving down the road. I love this little itty bitty mirror. It's got barely any trim around it, so it's just all mirror.
Not much to it.
Can't see out of it, but hey, who
No, you
cares?
can't. You really can't see much.
Got the matching. Well, this one's obviously rectangle, but it's got the matching rear view.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna get turned around. See you in a second. All right, we are back on the road. Have you had this thing up there and going yet, or?
Yeah, not as heavy as a Corvette. You know.
Okay. She does all right. Not too bad. This is a very, very beautiful car. Very well done. Got an awesome owner. That's the best part. There's that stupid horse again. Every time that thing scares me.
Yeah.
Wow, this thing is a dream. And see, like something like this is affordable for the average guy.
It is.
And that's what I love about it, because you can have this gorgeous, powerful car, and you don't have to go out and spend $150,000.
Right.
You know, so that's which is a blessing. But then again, nowadays you go out and buy a brand new Suburban, and it's not far under there.
Yeah.
I looked at the price of Suburbans the other day. Oh my God!
Yeah.
I walked out of the dealership limping.
Yeah. And this thing is over 60 years old, so you know there's a lot of them on the road yet.
Yeah.
But it takes a lot to refurbish them too
Yep.
to make them drivable.
Yeah, because I mean, they are on the road, but a lot of people there's too many of them neglected nowadays.
Exactly.
And you know, people are just like, oh, because they're out of the phase. But this is the 55, 56, and 57 will always live. Those are the classics that everybody loves. Because, oh, that was a little bit of a bump. Because it's those adjustable springs in the front, so you can adjust the ride height. And now that they're all the way lowered, it's a little bit more rough, but it still rides smooth. So it's not a big, like driving a brick with square wheels called a 89 Corvette. So, all right. Well, make sure you guys like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.